We videoed everything this weekend. What's good? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, bro, we're back. We're back in business, baby. Oh my god.
I am pale.
Yeah, bro.
What are you excited for, baby?
Well,
Café.
our best friend's getting engaged.
Bro, I can't wait to deflower Michael.
Just want to say congratulations. And I hope I get.
Oh, okay. What are you excited for?
Dude, I'm just excited to see Michael's, smile on his face. Lena's smile. Excited to see everybody. See the Zol clan. It's been a minute.
What are you excited for, sir?
Man, I'm excited to see Michael happy. That's really what it is for me. Very excited.
You heard it here first, folks. You heard it here first.
Tune in to ESPN and you'll get this on the highlights. You'll get the highlights.
They looks like a Formula One driver.
Brody.
What's up, Princess?
Lifesaver. It's fifth one night. And then
Yeah, it's gonna be in like the 60s and 50s at night, so.
beautiful.
Look at a bond between a man and his dog.
I'm actually a cat person, but
No, Brody, what do you have to say about that? I'm literally just gonna video the most random stuff.
I hate you. Oh man, okay. You wanna video me? I'm gonna video you.
No,
Alright?
no. Videoception.
This is the start of the trip, and Dimitri has videotaped every single second. Oh boy.
Yes, sir. Boys, we're here.
Made it, baby. Woo!
In the Hamptons, baby. We're in the Hamptons.
I'm checking my email.
Okay.
Thank God we got somebody who actually documents stuff.
Got to, baby.
I have the access, bro. It's like
Here, I don't want to.
First piss in a hotel. This is such a mess.
Wait, are they filtered? What the
Air filter.
Why? Alright, I gotta get the filter card. Whatever. Ah, shit. Here we go. To scotch? To scotch, you know?
Hold on, you mess with him.
Boys, where we going?
The beach, baby.
What you smoking?
This is a Davidoff.
Oh,
Yes, Genève.
Okay, what you gonna be smoking?
Got me a nice little Padron 45th year anniversary.
Oh, okay. Steve, what you be smoking, baby?
Arturo Fuente.
Okay.
Púrate.
Yeah, there's a few of us.
Well, we got Dimitri on the phone. You boys ready for a night at the beach?
Yes, boy. Let's
Huh?
You know, we got a little Hawaiian shirt vibes going.
Yeah, I'll be
It's a-
careful.
it's a
Don't
good
worry. All right, I love you. I'll see you.
I love you.
Tell him you love him
Bye.
again.
I love you. What's up? Ah!
It's a big, yeah, maybe 2022.
Oh, this is actually a cool shot.
Big colo, that's a big colo. Dude, that guy probably loves his job. I'm sorry to ruin the shot.
No, you can make the shot. Dude, look at this. Look at this. Just look through the camera. Look how nice that looks.
I'm looking with the child right now. Our kids over there.
Fuck yes.
Let's go make out.
There's plenty
Let's go
of
make
time.
out in the Ferris
There's
wheel.
plenty of time to get head there. I want the top of my boots on kiss.
Natural oxygen crystal.
Yeah, and they got Seymour frogs.
Wait, were they different notes?
Did you put that in your pants?
Yeah.
It's disgusting.
Not in my boxers though.
I'm all about like touching cotton. No.
It's raining. Damn it. God, I am such a wet smoker. Mine's cool. Hello. It's day 2 here at the beach. It's a beautiful cloudy day. Not very rainy right now anymore. I forget that it's Easter for heretics. So yeah, it's kind of empty.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Just want to do a quick little voiceover because there's music playing in the background, and I didn't want to get copyrighted on YouTube, so you know how that goes. But anyways, love you guys, and see you next time. Bye. Now.
Hi guys, I'm Tita. I'm the favorite server at River City. They all love me. Y'all should come see me.
She's the best.
Best bartender ever.
Yes.
Are you guys ready for the show?
Okay. No, the other one was better.
Wasn't as good the second time.
No, it was definitely not good.
Do it again.
No, I can't. It was just.
It's game time, baby. Here we go.
He's getting engaged. Will she say yes? We don't know.
It's a no for me. The elevator boys.
You good? Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me again. And you already know why. There's music playing in the background. YouTube really hates that. They want to copyright you, and no one can look at your video, and you're just toast forever. And I hate it, but that's just the way YouTube works. And I'm running out of time. Love you. Bye.
Rather nice. We should probably put that camera and get one of us kissing. You want to kiss?
Oh, what's up? This is the vlog. It's the vlog? Hey, it's 2022.
This is the engagement
Michael's
vlog.
engagement. He little. We all know it. It's okay. We love you, Lena. We love you.
Kiss the camera. Kiss it.
Wow, that's very close.
The girls are coming back to go watch it with the babies and hey, ya sa stikana de. Sigara diria Michael Lena. What do you say to Greek people when they get married? He got a ring. My man's a champion. He got a ring. He got a ring. She said no.
Oh, what's up?
What are your thoughts on the evening? Are you excited? Are you happy? Are you disappointed? What is it? Disappointed? You heard it here first. He's upset. Edwin, what are your thoughts on the situation?
What situation? This whole situation? Oh, amazing. Amazing. 10 out of 10 execution. I think the way they put him on the boat, everybody there, it was beautiful. Very beautiful.
What are you guys' thoughts on the situation?
I think it's great. I mean, I'm gonna get the whole upstairs by myself. I mean, it's gonna be a great opportunity.
Alcohol!
I think I would have thought that night at New Year's, but it might not have been that night that it happened. We're here. Amazing. Thirdly, my fiance. She's amazing. And I can't wait to spend my life with her. Please, thank you.
You know what? We're all here. Let's just get married right now. I will get ordained right now. Oh, you guys, this is so wild. What do you have to say? This is the engagement vlog. I've been filming since Friday. What do you have to say?
It's a little smaller than I thought it would be.
What do you have to say?
Well, I get the party with my boys tonight, so. Hey, boy, this guy.
I could be like a pufferfish.
Go in there, bro.
You and your cool ass phone case, God.
My bad. That's a phone case. I thought it was free.
Yo, who's trying to go
This is the
dance with some
engagement vlog.
geriatric ass
Say what's up to
white
the
people?
engagement
Because I am.
Yeah, you gotta say what's
Wait, say what?
What's up?
I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello.
Anything you want to say to your brother?
Yeah, hey, Michael, this is the best decision you could have possibly made. Being single sucks, dude. Going out, hooking up with random chicks, that's disgusting.
That's actually not true. Let me just butt in here.
Here we go, here we go. No, dude, Michael, this is a really good decision, man. Like, seriously. I'm so happy being married.
I love it. Do you have anything you want to say to Michael?
First of all, I want to congratulate you guys on the engagement, and I hope you engage in a lot of sex. You know why? Sex creates the unity, makes you happy, and when you fight, make sure you go to bed so that you can be happy. Please excuse my French, but I love you guys. Congratulations.
So, Edward, do you have anything to say to Michael?
I'm proud of him. I'm proud of him. I thought I didn't think it would ever reach this point, but you know, to see him propose to such a great girl is amazing. So very proud of you, Michael.
I love it. Hey, Pano,
What's up, man?
what are you gonna say to your brother?
Hey, Mikey, how you doing, buddy? It's me, your big brother, Bono here. Look, I'm a ring.
Do you have anything you want to say to Michael?
Michael, you're a good ass dude, and you're lucky as you cocksucker. You better treat her well. Up.
I love it.
That's damn right. And we got cupcakes. Would you like a cupcake?
I'm okay, thank you. So what do you have to say to your future brother-in-law?
Oh my God, Michael, good luck, man. All I gotta say is make sure she's got enough vodka, make sure she's got enough wine, white wine, and I wish you a good fortune. I hope you have a good marriage, man.
All right.
What do you have to say to Michael?
Terrible decision. Never do. Congratulations. Great plan. Well thought out. Obviously, I love you guys. Wishing you guys a life full of health, happiness, love, all the fun in the world. It's up here, baby. Love you guys. Take care.
What do you have to say to Michael?
Hi, Michael. I love you. I'm so glad you can be my son-in-law. I just treat my daughter with respect and love, and that's all I care. Good luck.
What do you have to say to Michael?
Michael, I love you so much. You are a completely wonderful person, and you have made my life just so much more enriched by your presence, and I am very glad that you and Len are going to have a happy, wonderful life together. I am honored to be here, and I love you with my entire heart, buddy.
That's the most wholesome response on this video.
Good, because we have a lot of on here.
What do you have to say to the new couple?
Congratulations. Marriage is a beautiful thing. Y'all are embarking on a journey that's going to be amazing. There is nothing like it. Congratulations, Lena and Michael. Y'all are going to be awesome.
What's up, you guys? I am back. You already know why. Music playing in the background. Not trying to get copyrighted, of course. But, I mean, hey, we can watch these wonderful people dance for a little bit. We got Greg sticking his tongue out. We got George dancing the night away. Love to see it. Sophia also dancing the night away. Also love to see it. Who else do we got in here? Let me guess. Oh, George once again. Can't get the camera off of him. Let's see who we got in the corner here. We got Eleni and Anne Marie. Who else? And then we've got Lena, the bride to be. Okay, see you. Love you. Bye.
All right, one final video. End of the night.
We found George. That's all that matters. We found
End of the night.
Beautiful.
Anything to say?
Mike.
Congratulations, Mike, boy! We love you. It was a great night. Even though you almost fought that bouncer, I was ready to break a guy's nose, but they would have f***ed us up. But I would die for you, so.
It's very true.
Mike, I love you in Atlanta, man. I love you mostly because I know you more, but God bless you guys. Love each other, cherish each other, and I will always be here. If you need a mortgage, hit me up. Your boy, Charlotte Broker, you know what I'm saying?
All right, it was a successful night. Out the yin yang. Everywhere. It was great. Michael, congratulations. I love you guys together. You're amazing. Michael, you and Len are a beautiful couple, and it was an amazing night. And I wish you the happiest of marriages. And thank you for showing us a great night for your last night.
Michael, I love you, baby. Don't worry, I'm gonna make an edited version and an unrated version. So.
Rated XXX.
Don't worry, baby. I love you. Good night.